What's up, y'all? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Unbroken Studios. And today we're gonna be doing this type of cartoon face design that I'm sure y'all seen pretty much all over like Instagram or on a lot of people's clothing brands. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. I'm gonna show you how to do that in today's video. I'll be using Adobe Fresco to draw my character instead of Procreate. It's pretty much the same thing, just different animations and different tools. But they don't have a symmetry tool. So as you'll see, what I'm doing now is I'll have to draw like one half of the face or the ears or the head and duplicate it to the other side. So with this design, it's kind of important to like not be too perfect because that's going to help sell this art style. So as you'll see here, I'll try to choose a hairstyle, but what I'm gonna end up doing is going with this like messy kind of grunge hairstyle look. It's similar to the art style of the Gorillas, if you know what I'm talking about, and then you see what I mean. Then add as much detail to the face as you want. And then I just made his skin yellow, just to again try to go with that kind of art style. I gave him stars in the pupils and I made him green. It's kind of irregular. Then I'm gonna go in with shading. What's gonna really sell this design is the shading and the highlights. Anybody can make this type of design. Me, myself, I don't do too much illustrations or drawing, but the shadows and the highlights really gonna help sell this design to make it look like, you know what I'm saying, you know what you're doing. So I'm gonna go on for the back of the head. I'm gonna just erase the face details, make the hair a little longer, give them like haircut dots so you know it's the back of the head. And then where the ears meet the back of the head, I'm like gonna draw a line so you can tell it's the back of the head. Again, add the shading and highlights, and you can totally finish the design in Fresco. I'm gonna move it to Photoshop just because I'm more comfortable with it. But you gotta make sure your artboard in Photoshop is the same size as the one in Fresco, or else you're gonna lose that detail in your design. As you can see, there's some detail in it, but it doesn't have any texture, so we're gonna add some. So we're gonna isolate the layer in the background. We're gonna use a clipper mask to get rid of the white background. And then me personally, I'm gonna just go in and make a stroke just to make the design pop a little more. So if this design was printed on a white t-shirt, it's gonna add more like depth to the design. Now I'm gonna grab this grunge texture from Texture Labs. Links in the description if you want this, it's free. So I'll kind of move that up a little bit because this texture has like these little small dots that give it this more comical feel to the drawing. So that's what I'm gonna use. Now for the blend modes, you're gonna have to choose which one works for you because it depends on the texture you're using, has different light and dark values. So just choose which one's gonna work for your design. Okay, now I got the texture on there. And I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna change the stroke to probably like orange color. I think it might complement it a little more than the green did. Then I might layer it again with another texture, this grunge texture. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing for the back of the head. And now this is where I'm at right now with the design. I just added some stars I drew and a little fake brand name because this is just a concept. I go in with my vector mockup 2.0. If y'all want this as well, links in the description for this. I just grabbed a crop t-shirt and long sleeve. And I think that the brand Billionaire Studios kind of popularized this design with their crop shirts, like the cartoon face characters. So shout out to them for that. And this is pretty much the final design. I just like threw in some stars and some flames I drew just to modernize it. But let me know what y'all think of the final design in the comments, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.